Hello viewers, you are watching my YouTube channel Unveil Top 10. Today, I discuss about the French Revolution. Subscribe my YouTube channel and share to the friends. So let's start the video. The French Revolution, which spanned from 1789 to 1799, stands as one of the most significant and transformative events in world history. It marked the beginning of a new era, not just for France, but for the entire world. This revolution was not merely a political upheaval. It was a socio-economic and cultural earthquake that shook the foundations of the monarchy, aristocracy, and the old order in France. The origins of the French Revolution can be traced back to a complex web of factors. A key factor was the financial crisis faced by the French monarchy, aggravated by decades of extravagant spending, costly wars, and an inefficient tax system. France was also plagued by a rigid social structure that favored the clergy and the nobility while burdening the common people with heavy taxes. Intellectual and philosophical ideas of the Enlightenment, which championed reason, liberty, and equality, played a pivotal role in fueling revolutionary sentiments. In 1789, the Estates General was convened by King Louis XI to address the financial crisis. This marked the beginning of a momentous series of events. The representatives of the Third Estate, representing the common people, felt marginalized and excluded. This led to the formation of the National Assembly, and on June 20, 1789, they famously swore the tennis court oath, pledging not to disband until a new constitution was established. As tensions rose, the Bastille, a symbol of royal tyranny, was stormed by an enraged mob on July 14, 1789. The revolution rapidly progressed through phases. The moderate phase witnessed the creation of the Declaration of the Rights of Man and of the Citizen, asserting the principles of liberty, equality, and fraternity. However, radicalization soon followed, leading to the Reign of Terror under the Committee of Public Safety, headed by Maximilien Robespierre. The Reign of Terror was a period of mass executions, censorship, and extreme political violence as the revolutionaries sought to protect the gains of the revolution. The revolution's impact was not limited to France alone. It ignited a wave of revolutionary fervor across Europe. Many European monarchies were alarmed by the revolutionary ideals and the threat they posed to the existing order. In 1792, France declared war on Austria, marking the beginning of the French Revolutionary Wars. The revolutionary armies, known for their élan and patriotic zeal, achieved both victories and defeats, but they spread revolutionary ideals wherever they went. The revolution also brought profound societal changes. The abolition of feudal privileges and the adoption of the metric system were among the many reforms introduced. The Napoleonic Code, established by Napoleon Bonaparte, consolidated many of these changes and remains influential in modern legal systems. One of the most enduring legacies of the French Revolution is the principle of nationalism. The revolution nurtured the idea that a nation should be defined by common language, culture, and history, and this concept continues to shape the world today. While the French Revolution brought about significant changes, it also resulted in immense suffering. The Reign of Terror, with its public executions and political persecutions, stands as a stark reminder of the dark side of revolutionary zeal. Nevertheless, the revolution laid the foundation for modern democracy and principles of human rights. In 1799, the revolution came full circle with the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte. He seized power in a coup, effectively ending the revolutionary period. However, Napoleon's rule, while autocratic, continued many of the revolution's reforms and expansionist ambitions. The French Revolution was a complex and multifaceted event that reshaped the course of history. It inspired subsequent revolutions and movements for liberty and equality worldwide. Its ideals continue to resonate and influence political thought and social progress. It serves as a vivid example of the power of the people to challenge an oppressive regime and strive for a more just and equitable society.